Hello, my name is Jonathan Gonzalez, and I'm a master certified tech and a diesel expert. And today we're out here at Michigan Cat, and we're out here training techs how to use Jaltest to their fullest advantage.
My name's Donald Sigel. I was in the Navy for 7 years, and I've been with Michigan Cat for 27 years.
Zachary Voltis, 12 years of experience, working at Michigan Cat for 11 years.
We're starting to work on more and more of a variety of engines, and instead of having to learn all the different truck manufacturers' software, Jaltest is all one-stop shop. It's a lot easier to use.
I've used previous tools in the past compared to Jaltest. Jaltest's breakdown of the regen systems and all the gauges and diagnostic is very, very explicit and shows you every breakdown, what the readings need to be, what the readings aren't, and gives you all the schematics you need for anything.
When I started, mechanical engines were still the big main power source for most trucks, but all the mechanics were just finishing the electronic engine training, and now it's all electronic engines, and I'm only the last few that know the mechanical engines, but the electronic engines are leaps and bounds better than anything else of the mechanical engines. If I was going to give any advice to a new person coming in, pay attention to everything that you can, learn as much as you can, and then try to put it in and don't be afraid to ask questions.